Hello everyone, today we're going to be looking at this beautiful 3-in-1 cordless vacuum. What I have here is the Bissell, and as you guys can see, I just got it out of the box and I wanted to show you what comes inside. You will be getting the manual first, and then of course you got the hand vacuum. We got this extension wand, then we have, as they call it, the foot. And here we have this 3-in-1 pad brush tool. So it has 3 different brushes on it, which is really cool. Then we have this crevice tool. We have the power plug, since this is cordless and uses 21V battery. And then we have the mounting kit if you want to put it on the wall and charge it that way. And if we look at the hand vacuum itself, it does have a couple different buttons. We have the power button, then we have 2 different modes. One is for the wooden floors, the other one is for the rugs, carpets. And then we have this button which releases the tank. Once the tank is released, you can empty out all the trash, which is really cool. And to charge it, you do have to go on the bottom. It's going to be right here. It's hard to show you on the camera, but this is where you plug it in, right here. And then we also have another filter here. You can remove it. This is like a motor filter, as they call it, so make sure you do wash that from time to time, at least empty out the dust if there is any. Alright, so I just finished charging it and putting it together. Next, I'm going to show you how it works. So here we go with the first button, which would be the power button. So let's turn it on. You will also see the lights on the bottom. And you can definitely see all those specks of dirt are being vacuumed. And next I'm gonna go to my kitchen, which is a little bit more dirty. So let me show you that. And you can definitely see the light as well. Next, I'm gonna change the mode. Alright, next I have this little crevice tool and I want it to vacuum under my oven, so let's see how this goes. Alright, so I just finished vacuuming, and here is all the trash, dust, hair that it picked up. So it picks up quite a lot. So far, experience has been very positive. The vacuum isn't loud, it's not heavy, it's easy to control, it's easy to charge, and so far I just love using it. I would definitely recommend this. Thank you guys for watching.